And these are the sneakers.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to unbox a new pair of sneakers. These sneakers are from Valentino, an Italian brand, Valentino Garavani. So I'm going to take out the box from the bag, and it looks like this. The red box of Valentino. Inside the box there is a little envelope, and it is written inside how to take care of the shoe, and it is written in different languages. And you can see there is a pouch color white with a name Valentino. So we will open the shoes. Ta-da! So the shoe is like that, and it has a name of Valentino there. There is the V, it's the logo, and behind is a leather color red with the rivets, and there is an engraved Valentino behind. Let's take out the paper so we can see inside clearly. So it's red and gold name. That is the logo of Valentino Garavani, and my size is 37 euro size. And that is the sole. There is a logo of letter V. Now let's open the other pair. It's the same with the other one. The name, the logo. The other side has letter V. The insole is red with a color gold name of Valentino. And behind there is a red leather with rivets and engraved Valentino behind the shoe. So I will show you one thing that I discovered while I was doing unboxing, and it was the red leather behind is removable. So you can see there is still a paper protection. So if you want to take it away, it depends on your outfit or your mood of the day while you were wearing this. You can take it away or you just leave it like that. I tried it in the store and it's very comfortable. So I would rate it 10 over 10. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next vlog.